Hi guys, this is Rafa and I'm striking again, talking to you about this absolutely great and fantastic trading system, which is called Simplicity Trading System. It is under the umbrella of the supereasy.com trading style, which is pretty much a very self-explained trading system. It's super easy. Otherwise, you have some rules to follow. There's very simple rules, and it's absolutely easy for everybody to start and engage a forex career, a trading career. Okay. For instance, look at this Euro CAD. Okay. And if you check my other videos, I have been placing a trade on this pair. Well, we're talking about forex, foreign exchanges, which means currency against currency, currency versus currency, okay? Economy versus economy, which means a whole country, a whole currency country against other. In the case of the euro, for instance, is not one country, but a whole area, okay? If you look at this chart, it is clear that it is an uptrend over here, then a downtrend, then, well, what's going on? It is an uptrend. Is that a resistance area over here? Well, that's what simplicity was built for, okay? Let's just put the model in the charts and everything just got absolutely clear, okay? That's the EuroCAD trade. The 15 minutes is just for clarify. I have been on this trade right now, okay? But on the 30 minutes, it just killing. It is just killing right here, okay? Another trade that I'm in, it's the AUD CAD. Look at that. I have entered this morning. A great trade. And it's pretty much self-explanatory, but again, I'll do that for us, okay? First step on the simplicity trading system, the signal, okay? That's the most important part. When the signal appears, okay, I have to identify if it's a buy signal or a sell signal. In this case, it is a buy signal, okay? Okay, well, so what's the conditions for me to take this trade? Well, the signal must come from this green buy area, okay? Well, this is a Fibonacci algorithm, okay, that's pretty much built in on the system. There's a lot of algorithms built in this system. We don't have to care about that, okay? We don't need to understand exactly every single piece of the system. And that's the beauty of that, because it has been built to be simple. It was built to be easy for everybody, okay? So this green area, it is a Fibonacci area, okay? Which means that indicates there's a signal for a buy have appeared, have showed for us, okay? Now we have to follow the rules. What's the rules? There's three simple, absolutely simple rules to follow. The first one, it is a buy signal. So first rule, it has to come from this buy area. Okay, this signal come from the buy area. Okay, this line over here, okay, must be green, and of course it is green. Okay, well, that's not a 50 MA. No, there's not only a 50 MA, which is pretty much decorated and followed by many traders around the world as a very secure trend analyzer. Okay, it is a 50 EMA, but it is much more. Okay, there's a lot of algorithms built in. It tests the volume, it tests the volatility, it tests one currency against the other. So when it shows and it's consolidating as a green area, I have to trust that signal, okay? So first step, it is a buy signal coming from the buy area. First step, it is a green zone that have appeared and it's building right now. Okay. The third step, check the higher time frames. Is this price action coming from a buy area? Yes, it is. Look at that. The price action came down, tested this area, went up for a little bit, tested this another area, and that's a double bottom, and now it's just going up. And another great thing that we have to keep an eye on, that's the not a simplicity rule, but that's a rule for a price action. Okay, that's a support area. Okay, and another thing that is pretty much important, there's a channel that's been building right here. Okay, so that's the first step. Okay, it came down. That's the higher high and a lower low, which means that starting a buy signal. Okay, the trend is starting a buy signal. Okay, that's my analyze. Okay, but the simplicity just showed us. Okay, that's the 1 hour, and I strongly advise you, do not make price action analyze taking these lower time frames, because okay, this work, look at that. Okay, it works, but you know, it tends to be much more volatile and much less trustable. Okay, if you want to make a price action analyze, take the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame to understand what is going on. Okay, look at that. Well, checking the 4 hour time frame, look how my analyze is pretty much correct, because I have identified this support area, and look that this support area, it's on other price action moves, older price action move, but it is pretty much working as well. Okay, so I identified that trend up channel. So let's go to the 30 minutes again. I just delete those for make our analysis more accurate and more precise. Well, okay, it is going down right now. There's no problem. Okay, there is no problem. We have to trust the system. Let's go back to the 3 rules. Okay, the first one, it's a buy signal coming from a buy area. Okay, second rule, is it going up? Yes, it is. The trend line is going on an uptrend. Third rule, check 1 to 2 time frames higher. So let's check the 1 hour. Yes, the price action is coming from a buy area. And the 4 hour, well, the 4 hour is absolutely positive because it's coming up. It's absolutely trending up. Okay, it doesn't need to have a signal over here, doesn't need to have a signal over here. A signal for a positive, a buy signal probably will come, but right now that's not necessary. Okay, that's what we need, the signal on a time frame that we're going to take the trade. Well, if all the conditions matched, now we have to calculate our size lot. And how do you do that? Well, it's easy. It's 1% of our account. How do we calculate 1% trade size for this trade? You get this cross button, go to the move, go below, if it's a buy signal, go below the green area, below, not inside, not up, not here, below the green area, because we have this price action moves, that stop hunt moves. Look at that, those candles indicates 30 minutes. So this candle came close, those candles came close to this area, and look at that, these close. So that movement we're pretty much going to touch here and going the opposite direction. So we have to put our stop loss below this area. So it's gonna be 61, okay, 62 pips. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I just, well, just let me make this move again. I just, you know, take that and grab over this area below the price movement. Okay, and the take profit, it's the first area on the red above because it is a buy signal. Okay, well, let's just do that. Stop loss placed, take profit placed. There is absolutely no other movement to be done. Well, just let's wait for the price action to work itself. Doesn't matter. Look at that. I have the spread 1.6 on my current broker, which is the IC markets, and I have right now the price going a little bit down, but it's gonna touch here and it's gonna go up. I can assure you about that. Look at those wicks in this area. Look at that. I'm gonna make it bigger for you to see how these candles respect this area. Not only the line, but the area. It's not a line, but a area. Okay, I'm gonna show you again. It's a area. There's an area over here, which is a support. Okay, which is a support. This is an area. Look, it touches and go, touches and come up, touches and come up, touches and come up, touches and come up. Now it's testing. Probably gonna be. It's testing how strong this movement can be. Okay. Okay, so let's move on. Just gonna analyze another trades that I'm in. It's the LOECAD that I have already placed, and this ES, which is the index of the Spanish stock markets. Okay, if you check the other trades that I was in, it was the Euro JBP 30 minutes. Look at how did it touch it, this area, which was my take profit area, and guess what, I took the profit. Okay, look at this Euro JBP. That's my size, my lot size. Take profit hit. Okay, $562.16 on my wallet. GBP CAD, I was selling that. Okay, 382. Let's check the GBP CAD. It was a sell signal. Look at the signal right here. Look at the signal right here. Coming from here to here, it was 93 pips. Okay, Euro JBP, let's just check the size of this area. I took it right over here. Look at that. It came 40 pips in my way, came down 20 pips. Did it give me a little bit of fear? Yes, it did, but I trust the signal. I trust the system. I know it's gonna go up. Does it threaten my stop loss? Not at all. My stop loss was here, below the green area, below. It didn't harass my stop loss area. It came exactly on this green area, which is a Fibonacci algorithm that draw this line over here. So we touch it first time, touch it second time. This candle was didn't know what to do. It touched it again, and now, well, price action thought, okay, so I can't break that. I have not enough strong to go against that. So let's go up and 31 pips. Reached my take profit. Okay. Why did I take this trade? Well, just follow the rules. Look at that. The buy signal, green short-term trend, green long-term trend. Okay. That's the fourth rule. That's the first one. The signal coming from this buy area, it's the second rule. The third rule is check the time frame, which is absolutely okay. That is coming up. Wow, that's the 1 hour signal. This trade is gonna rock. You can bet on that. Well, it is good for you to take this trade right now. It is good for you to take this trade right now. Well, I'm just gonna show you, okay? Look at that. Right now, stop loss, 66 pips, okay? Take profit, 64 pips. It's almost 1-to-1 risk ratio. If you wanna extend your profits a little bit, trim half of your lot size over here and take all of your lot size over here on 101 pips. That's a live trade I'm giving to you. Don't waste your time, okay? Go it right now. It's going up. Look at this price movement. It is going up. That's free. I'm just giving you that for free because I'm not here to collect dollars. I'm not here to collect money. I'm here to show you. I'm here to teach you. I'm here to introduce you this fantastic trading system. It is for everyone. Please share this link. Share this YouTube link. Please hit the like button so the YouTube algorithms will just make our video be more popular. And please go to the description area and click the supereasy.com link to buy this system. It's just $300, but it is worthwhile. Look how much money did I make on one trade. 562, 500. It have already paid my fee. It is great. And look at that. Look at that. It is easy to understand. It's very self-explanatory. It just eliminates all psychological issues that we have on trade. And you know, being a trader is 70% a great trade system and the 30%, it's 30% a trading system that is effective and 70% psychological issues. But this trading system just have made an incredible achievement to eliminate all the psychological issues. That's why I'm always trying to show you that. And look at that. There's a lot of room to go up. There's a lot of room to go up. Okay? So that's it for today. Well, the Eurocad. Okay, Eurocad, sell. Eurocad. Now I'm up, okay? But now I'm up. But in those Eurocad, was it 30 minutes? And yes, I made money. Sell 91 pips, and now I'm going up. 32 pips. 32 pips. Do you know how difficult it is to get 32 pips in one day? Let me show you. All of those bars means one day. That's the Wednesday bar, and I'm doing this video live. This is 5 August 2020. This is Wednesday, that's Tuesday, that's Monday, and that's Friday. Last Friday, the signal came up. I took the signal. My stop loss have never been in danger, and I just made 9 free pips, which is pretty much proof here. That's a live account. I am proving I was on a sell trade. Okay? I was on a sell trade. And now I'm in a buy trade. Well, guys, that's it. I'll come back to prove this AUD CAD trade, which I took. Okay. Right here, it's pretty much going down right now. I think it's going to touch this green area and touch again and again, I don't know, but then it's gonna shoot up. So please give me a thumbs up for this video. Follow my channel. I'm gonna be posting a lot of good trading examples on this simplicity trading system, and on the description area there is a link for you to buy this trading system. Again, I'm not selling that. The seller and the developer, it's a great guy called Patrick Murphy. You can Google his name over the internet and you're gonna find him very easily. He's a very entrepreneur guy. He was a real estate man, and then he find the Forex trading system, the Forex trading world, and has been very successful after years and years of failing. But he has developed a great system for us, and he's a very nice guy. We have classes on Tuesdays and Wednesdays when he share his knowledge, he share his understandings about the system and the Forex world. And it's very, very nice, very nice. Okay, so you're not just going to buy a system, you're going to buy a ticket for life to a great family, that I compose by traders, very successful traders, and have been doing great. And you're not gonna be alone. You're gonna be, you're gonna be taken care of if you follow the rules, if you follow the instruction videos. As soon as you purchase the system, it costs $300, but it is absolutely worthwhile. Okay, so there's a link below. Please click the link and get to know the super easy Forex family. Get to know the simplicity trading system. Give the system a chance, because it can absolutely change your life. Thank you very much. This is Rafa from Brazil, Rafa Forex. Thank you very much. Bye bye.